I already apply my skincare. The video about my everyday skincare routine is up somewhere, and yeah, so for Holi I must say you should wear your SPF sunscreen. I'm using Mecca Cosmetica SPF 30. Applying, it's very handy. It's a stick base and no color. You can add your SPF in everyday routine. So Deepika Padukone has very subtle makeup, very natural. So I'm going to apply my primer, eyelid primer from Hourglass. It's thick, you just need a tiny bit. So applying eyelid primer on your eyelid, it can extend your eyeshadow for long wear. I'm going to do a very simple and quick eyeshadow. So this is from NYX. I'm using shade Strawberry Milk pencil. It's a jumbo pencil. So she has a little shimmery eye, but very subtle and natural. So I'm using this very pinkish kind of shade. Using my Hourglass palette to do a little bit of brown on top. So using my bronzing brown and applying a little deeper shade on my socket. So my eyes is almost done. She has very precise eyebrows, very sharp. So she is expressing all her emotions and stuff with raising her eyebrows like that. So I'm going to use my all-time favorite, Precisely My Brow shade 6 from Benefit. I'm combing all my hair upwards with the spoolie. Setting my eyebrows with Benefit 24 hours settling gel. My eyebrow hair can stay on the place. Benefit Pore Professional for my cheeks to cover my pores, fine lines. You can use Pore Professional Pearl Primer to correct the under eye because it has a little bit peachy tone. Taking a tiny bit. This pink primer is to brighten up your skin, so I'm using under my eyes, so a little bit brighten up. I can see this eye is a little bit bright. Foundation, I'm using Double Wear from Estee Lauder. Taking 2 pumps. I want a very light coverage, so I'm not going to use much. Using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, which is shade 130 medium. Going again with my beauty blender. Sephora Sculpt and Color Stick, Mayon Medium. So going to give a shade and shape to my face. I'm a little bit multitasking, using my beauty blender and my finger together. She has a dewy look, so I'm not going to set all my face, but I'm going to set my conceal area. So I'm going to use Hourglass palette, and I'm using the setting powder under the eye. Brown eyeliner, which is from Benefit, ruler liner. She's not wearing any false lashes, so I'm going to curl my lashes with my curler. Maybelline, the false lashes lift. I'm going with very gentle, not going to apply much, just the one coat. I'm going to tightline my eyes with Sephora gel liner. She's wearing very gentle and subtle blush, so I'm going to use Hourglass blush, which gives me a little bit shine and subtle look. I'm gradually going and building up my blush the way I wanted. So I'm going very light-handed. I like the way they made marbly blush and bronzes and stuff. Highlighter. Normal shade, like a nudie color from NYX liquid lipstick. That the shade is Soft Spoken. So I'm done with my makeup. I'm going to set my makeup with Dewy Finish NYX setting spray, which gives me a very dewy look. Very refreshing.